Keyboard is a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse that it comes with. What I actually love about it, it's a quiet keyboard, so you don't have to worry about that clickety clackety noise, and the mouse is actually super quiet, so it's like a silent click for both the mouse and the keyboard. Now you have this button right here on this side where you can go ahead and turn on the keyboard, and then this little USB-C could go ahead and charge it. Now as soon as you turn this on, it is actually going to connect to your computer, so you don't have to worry about any sort of settings. It's not really complicated. But what I also love about it is lighting up. So it's a rainbow keyboard. You can actually go ahead and press Function and Shift and sort of change through three different brightness or take it off completely. Now this keyboard is at the top here, you can see Windows and Mac, and it is compatible with both operating systems. So that is really good. You can go ahead and switch through to both of them. Now, so at the bottom of the mouse, you're going to have that on button, and then right below that on button you have this little button right here, and that is going to help you filter through 15 different lighting options. So while the keyboard has 3 different brightness and it's just a rainbow, the mouse you can go ahead and set to 15 different sort of lighting options, which is kind of cool. So if you're working, you have a nice quiet option for a keyboard and a mouse.